Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Unfortunately, we still have our setup not ready, so we have not the best view here. So, yeah, I'm kind of sorry about that, but can't really do anything. We are getting a new setup, and yeah. So today we're gonna have a look at this massage gun, and as you can see, it has quite a variety of headpieces. We are taking this one for now to show that, and okay, I only got one hand. That's unfortunate too. So as you see here, it is a little bit on the heavy side for sure, but that doesn't mean it's necessarily bad. It just means there's a lot of stuff built in here. Um, and then you turn it on. You got your whole information on here as well to select from, and it feels pretty good. Not gonna lie. And it is pretty straightforward. You're just gonna turn it on. It's gonna start moving, as you see here. And then you're just gonna get your massage done and relax your muscles. Working pretty well, has quite some power as you see here. It is so fast, the camera is having a really hard time to catching in that, and then you can just, for example, relax your feet a little and take care of them. So until next time you guys, my name is Badger. I will see you around, and bye bye.